Good morning, everybody. It's Mars. I appreciate you guys returning. Now, let's analyze together today. I am looking at the NASDAQ on the daily chart. I am literally only paying attention to this area, including this here. All right. I'm only looking at this because we have been arranging really bad, like consolidating really bad. But good news is we finally broke this trend line, and we have been creating lower highs and higher lows for a while. Right, but we finally broke out of that, even closed, right? So now, obviously, you can expect in my mind that I'm probably expecting a huge sell off. But before we sell off, like always, there's probably always something price wants to grab before we do that. You can definitely expect price to, it kept touching this, it kept staying in this area. This trend line specifically, you can expect price to return to that pretty much, right? We pushed very nicely under this low, closed very nicely under that low. Let's see how far. This can even be a target if it closed like this. But anyways, so today, 9:30 is in 14 minutes, 13 minutes. And we might see 9:30 be bullish, actually. And maybe afternoon bearish. Okay. This little candle is so fire. It did a lot of work. What was this? Oh, this was London. Alright, so let's mark London high. Right now, it looks like this is London's high. And you can potentially see price. I'm gonna just mark this as an entire order block. But yeah, so this is what the 1 hour is looking like. Honestly, I really do believe we could blow past this, simply because I think price will want to come touch in here again. It could definitely use this order block. It also could go through it. It's more important though. It had more of a move than some of the price action over here, which is like just pretty tight. So let's look on a 15. Well, I want to look at the 30 real quick. Okay. 30 is kind of clean. Yeah, I think I think we may be bullish for open. Even if we are overall bearish, the big ass bearish move might not happen until tomorrow. You know, I'm expecting a fully bearish push that now that the daily has finally broken and closed under this trend line. Anyways, let's see how this candle close in the next 7 minutes. So you get to 15. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see if we just use this. Today's Wednesday. We have untouched important order blocks. We are in this fair value gap. So let's also watch for another closure. We'll see how this candle closes. Let's mark 9:30. In the macro. All right, y'all. Another 5 minutes. All right. Let's keep looking at the 15. This is perfect. This is actually what you want to see. It just has to be in it. You have 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining in this candle. The 1 minute is gonna do its thing. Hold on. Let's see. Nice.
Order filled.
Meant to be in a little bigger than that, but we may try to get another entry in here somewhere.
Order filled. Order filled.
I know that we're going into this OB, y'all. And that's a little more reduced risk there. I really do expect us to push through this. But we could still have a reaction to it, and that's something to keep in mind. A better entry would have been here. 15-second has this breaker. But we are doing nice already. Let me see something else. I'm gonna put my TP up here, but I'm not gonna necessarily get out of here. I'm just, y'all know I don't like to sit and trace for long. I'm watching out for this. This could have a really bearish reaction, but if price is super bullish, remember I said open should be bullish, and it was. If price is super bullish, we'll blow through this. So let's hope. Yeah, I expected price to react. What I hope for is we don't make engulfing bearish candles, because that's displacement. So 30 seconds left in this 1 minute candle. And let's just see what price has for us. I really wish I could break even. I'm just not in a position to yet. Really not yet. Yeah, not yet. I'm gonna go ahead and put a check mark up here. Checkpoint. These help ease my mind, but once we close over here, I could break even. Once we get a actual closure, I should be able to break even. I did say we could have a bearish reaction to this up here. So we will see. Okay, yeah, 3 bearish candles in a row is not what you want to see. This candle is make or break. This one has to engulf this one. In the bullish market, you shouldn't see 3. I noticed the 30-second. So it's like, see, but the 1 minute didn't engulf. I think that's nice. But we are reacting to this order block. And we didn't get no sell size, so I guess that's natural. Just hoping for price to, just push. Risk isn't bad. I'm only risking 160 on this trade right now. And so, yeah, I'm just going to let it do its thing. If I lose, I lose. I'm going to break even to be safe. Because if price wanted to lift, it very much lift from right there, close above that checkpoint. Just needs to close above that checkpoint. We are in this higher time frame OB, y'all. We gotta expect price to be fighting right now. And I expect to fight, but hold on, let me look at the 1 minute. So I think we might get taken out. And then we engulfed. Yeah, that's not a good look. This could be flipping. So let's just see how we do. We just came and use this as an OB. Just here. And we just need this candle to show out. That's really it. Yeah. If we're bullish, we want to start seeing nice size engulfing candles. This is the type of reaction you want to see. We just really need a closure above that checkpoint, y'all. We really need that. It is rejecting it over and over again. Come on. Come on, come on. We need a filthy push. Just break. Yeah. Now remember what I said about this blue area? We need to speed through this area. Spend no time in it. Honestly. If we're really gonna yeah, we need to speed through here. Buyers gotta really show who's boss. Yeah. That's perfect. Let's see if we can close on the other side of it. I just realized I've been talking the entire time. Let's see if we can get this candle to engulf the last. Oh, we reacting to it. Alright, you gotta be mindful here. So I decided to TP right here because price began to react to that EOB. That is the level that I said to look out for. And it literally started to react. Now, I wasn't necessarily hoping it would. I was hoping that it just blew through it. But you know what a reaction looks like, and what you expect to happen doesn't happen, you know? Then the way you trade should change. You should remain adaptable the entire time. Thank you guys for watching, and that is the end. Peace.